Good afternoon everyone, today we're going to be looking at another Sekonda watch. We're going to be looking at one of the Wingman Pilot watches today. So let's get round to it, shall we? Simple Sekonda box with just simple fold on and lift off lid. Nice yellow theme to that inside part of the box and the yellow print logo. So here we go guys, this is a Sekonda Wingman Pilot 43mm in the blue variant. 11mm case thickness and retails around about £30. Watch weighs 57 grams and operates on a full Japanese quartz movement. Let's have a look at the face. So the face is like a reflective blue style navy blue dial to match the navy blue strap with fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments and a little date dial just sat down at where the 6 PM is. The hands themselves are expanding rectangles in shape with a fully luminous straight style second hand. Now you may notice that these hands and increments look a little bit like a Citizen. I don't know, that's just something I've noticed, but it's not to say there's any relation to the designers. Full mineral glass going over the top there, so not sapphire. Waterproof to 50 meters as well, it says on the face there. Coming out to the casing, you've got a full stainless steel with this matte effect on the casing and as well as the bezel. Consistent all the way around, apart from on that stainless steel chrome finish crown. Speaking of the crown, let's take that out and have a little look. A nice, thick, strong movement to the Sekonda crown. You always do tend to get an element of quality when it comes to having a crown from Sekonda. Lines up the increments nicely, that hand. It's always a good one, always a good start. Usually Sekonda is one of those brands you can pay any sort of money and you get an element of quality to it. He says whilst he can't change the date dial. There you go. Can be a bit fiddly that crown, but you might expect something like that for £30 price point. Put the back in after. So that's the front of the watch. Let's go look at the back. So a full Sekonda back plate, just a little bit more information about the movement and the markings. You can see there, you've got Japanese movement inside there. A 20mm nylon style strap, Sekonda printed as well. No element of easy access ports to be able to quickly flick off the strap. The actual windows to the strap are cheaply done, as you can see that they're actually like fraying in on themselves. Got no metal rings inside there to prevent stretch, but then some people like a little bit of stretch, so you wear this like me. I'm wearing this nice and tight, and this might stretch over time, but this one has an enhanced plate on the top of it, so it won't stretch. But sometimes people like a bit of a strap that will stretch over time, so it suits their wrist a bit better. A single thick holder to hold that strap, and a nice matte finish unprinted buckle. So there we go guys, that is the Sekonda Wingman Pilot 43mm.